Hey everyone, Jason Verdelli, the founder of Social HubSite, and in today's video I want to share with you some of our platforms here at Social HubSite. Just kind of give you a brief overview of what our platforms, why they exist, of course, what they do, the purpose that they serve, as well as kind of getting you off on the right foot, deciding which platform is best for you to get started with. So, with that said, what I'm going to do, I'm actually on our platforms page. So if you are trying to get to where I'm at, you just click on platforms up here at the top. And what I want to do is just cover again each one sort of individually. Now, I will say to start off, what is a social hub site? The question comes up a lot. What exactly is it? Is it some sort of social media thing, or what is it? Really, what the way I define a social hub site is, it is simply a website. It's a website that serves a very specific purpose. So we're not trying to do a million things here. We're just trying to get one or two things accomplished with the website. That's it. The great thing about Social HubSite, though, what makes it unique is that it integrates the social media tools, the web technologies into one place, so that way you don't have to go out there and set it up on your own. You don't have to worry about the costs associated with keeping certain things up and running. So really, the value here is that you can get these social hub sites up and running, have them accomplish or solve that problem that you're dealing with, fulfill those opportunities. So again, any of the platforms, the ones I'll just give you a brief overview of some of them today. But the platforms that we have, that's the methodology behind why we create them, the way we do, what we integrate with them, and how we position them is really around are they solving a problem? Are they fulfilling an opportunity? And are they integrating the tools into one location? Our goal is to have everything, have you stay on that hub site. Again, kind of the term hub site here, to keep you into that one place. So you don't have to, you can save the time, save the energy, more or less, and more importantly, save the money in accomplishing what you need to online. So we do this through a number of different platforms. Now, again, I'm just going to take you through a few here. We have our new one here, which is our central form site. This is a platform that basically allows you to keep all of your forms in one place. So it has online form building capabilities. As you'll kind of see here, I'm just taking you through a little bit of the slideshow area here. But again, you have the ability to put those forms onto one location that you can brand. You can add a domain name to that location. We particularly, our main company, Phase 2 Solutions, we call ours p2forms.socialhubsite.com. So when we use it more or less, for trying to get a payment, maybe from a client, or a client's trying to send us a large file, or even an order form, client satisfaction surveys. We could put all these forms into one location without having to remember the impossible links sometimes that are out there with your embeddable forms. And they all have their place. Don't get me wrong, but this is here to serve as more of a hub to all of your forms. Versus, again, having to put these on separate websites, keep it all into one website structure, saving you the time. And also, it allows you to keep track of all the data that's being flowed through there as well. So you don't have to, again, manage that into a separate location in a secure way. So again, just giving you a brief overview here of that. This is our new one, but as you can see, again, it solves a very particular problem here. Again, keeping all of your forms in one location, organizing forms, and trying to get information from your community can be difficult sometimes. So again, that helps to alleviate that. One of our most powerful platforms is our social networking platform. Now, we do have a private version of it. Essentially, they're the same. It's the same platform when you're inside of it. Of course, one is more open to the public. One is, of course, private. So you have to import the actual members before they get in there. But this allows you to take that community around you. So take maybe an existing membership that you have, maybe an existing client base that you have, and to communicate. Essentially, it helps to facilitate the communication not only directly from you to the community, maybe your clients, your prospects, referral sources, depending if you're looking at this as a business sense. But also it allows them to facilitate the communication amongst themselves. So again, if you do have a community, maybe run a group where people meet every week, there's a need to stay in touch inside of a location that is branded around your organization. It's not done on large social networks, so people don't have to remember, where it is and the million things that they have to do on those social networks. It just kind of gives it one place that can be private. Again, it works really well, especially for a lot of membership driven organizations, churches, religious organizations, nonprofits with donors, being able to communicate with donors, or even just again for the business sense, really building your customer base and to facilitate that communication ongoing outside of just email marketing and some direct kind of one-on-one ways. We do have, and some of these I'm not going to go in directly, but we do have a private group collaboration platform which allows you to facilitate that communication inside of a group or maybe a company. So if your company is looking for a way to do the very basics, share a calendar, share a common to-do list. This isn't to take place of your project management. It could, but it's really to, again, facilitate the basic levels of points of communication. We went out and studied the common things that people generally like to share within a group and the challenges that they face in some of the larger enterprise version software, and build that into one platform. So yet it's not doing everything, but it is facilitating the very basic levels of communication amongst a group of people, being able to share a video out that you can automatically send out to certain people in the group. Again, great platform for that. We discussed a little bit, on the private social networking platform, online appointment calendar or scheduler. This is really a cool platform. This allows you to to essentially get people to register their appointments directly on a web-based platform. So here, say if you run any type of business where you rely on appointments, so hairstylists, massage therapists, chiropractors, and I'm just naming a few here that are obvious. But this is a way for them to go on. They can see your availability. They can put in if you decide you want to charge them before the appointment, you can do that. Maybe for consultants, you might want to use this as a way of getting paid before you actually do the consultation, so you don't have to wait 30 days or longer to get paid after you've actually delivered the service. So as you can see, and this is just taking you through some of the features here. And it also integrates the social sharing tools that allow you to share or invite other people. So it allows maybe your contacts. If you have some loyal customers, you can tell them to go on here, invite their contacts for maybe other social networks to come and join. I think there's a slide, this particular slide, which goes over that. So it's a great way, again, for booking more appointments without the hassle. Great platform for that. Kind of going back through here, social e-commerce. This makes it really. This is a great platform for essentially selling products online, whether they're digital downloadable products or physical products that you want to, put the pictures and the variations, like selling T-shirts and things like that. But the unique part about this platform is that it integrates these social media tools. Such as social coupons, maybe give people you have the option to give individuals maybe 5 or 10% off if they share that product onto Facebook. So now you're starting to generate some virality around your e-commerce versus just simply worrying about search engine optimization or some of the other traditional marketing methods around a particular e-commerce website. So again, all those tools are built into that. We have an idea and feedback community platform, which makes it very easy to essentially you can post out people can post out ideas, you can post out ideas, and other participants can vote on those ideas. From there, again, you can award prizes. You can essentially just keep the conversation going. And essentially, the whole purpose of that platform is to better products and services. Come up with new ideas from the people that are around your community. So take your current client base, for example. How can we improve our products and services? Now you're using this entire system handles all the notifications and all the kind of small little detailed processes that get people to come back to the website and using that. Again, generate some great ideas, some crowdsourcing for ideas. Great platform for that. Social discussion platform, how many times have you had one discussion that you just wanted to get started? You don't want to put it up onto your website. You want one location that has that. So again, this is the whole purpose of this is to facilitate that one conversation. So yes, this is probably one of the most simple platforms that we have, but it's very powerful in the fact that it does integrate with all the other social networking platforms. So again, a discussion shared onto here, you can also share onto a bunch of other different social networking venues. So again, great for that. Also great for landing pages. I don't really position it as much in the internet marketing world with the particular social discussion platform, but you can put a video on here. You can customize whatever you need to at the top. And of course, you get the discussion area down here. So if you're looking maybe as a way for a landing page solution, a quick landing page solution, this platform would work out really well for you. Getting down here toward to the wire, social hub platform. This platform allows you to essentially bring in all of your social networking posts. So your posts that you have out maybe on Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, Vimeo, and pull all that into one location. So again, if you just want to send people to that one location, you can do that. Makes it really great, again, for just organizing a lot of the information that you post out there. We particularly use the same tool directly inside of our training area, inside of Social HubSite. Because we have multiple training videos, but it'd be great, again, people can go on here. We upload to YouTube, but again, they can watch the video directly from the actual platform itself, which is great, as you can kind of see here. So again, pulling all your feeds into one place solves a huge problem of trying to, so as you're putting information out on the social networks and everything like that, you can kind of drive people back in. Great idea for, putting into your signature line of your email. This is a great location for them to go back to see what you're about. Last couple here, video and podcasting platform. This is really, I love this platform. This is a great way, simple way to start a blog. It's a very simple, clean interface. This is really key, especially when you get onto mobile devices. And what it does is it integrates a lot of the video sharing tools and podcasting sharing tools that allow you to, essentially put those videos out directly onto the site. It's got an email marketing component built into it. So if you want to upload maybe a list of subscribers, you can do that. Or people can subscribe directly from the site itself. But it's great because you can say you can kind of see in here a little bit, but you can record a podcast directly on here without having to host it separately, go to separately, and worry about maybe fees that are associated with that, or advertising being included into that. Here, you can automatically share the video. You can automatically record the audio or video, and it automatically puts it in. So we're using two different integrations for that. So again, they're actually hosting the videos, and like Vidler and Evoca, they're hosting it. But again, what's great about it is now you can keep all that in one location without having to worry about paying the additional fees that it would take to do all that. So again, great platform for that. Video obviously is a great way to engage an audience. The Pay for Access platform. This is a really awesome platform. This allows you, say if you're looking to sell your information, you want to share or start a membership site, but really outside of just membership sites, there's a lot of different solutions out there for that. What this does, it takes basically the same tools that are built into the video blogging platform and integrates that directly with a membership option. So essentially people can subscribe. Makes it very easy where you can put up your options as far as subscription goes. You can so somebody can pay say $50 a month and have access to your blog, and you can decide do you want to give them access to all of your content, maybe what's called drip content. You can do that. So if you want to only you want to deliver maybe a blog post every week, could be again using the video or audio, could be a podcast, could be a video that you do, and you get that delivered to you every single week. So it's a great way awesome way to start generating some revenue from your expertise. That's typically how they're used. Again, this is a membership blog platform. It's not a membership site platform. There's a difference here. There's you're not going to get the complexities that you might get out of a membership site where you're sharing documents. You can share documents here, but again, this is really focused on delivering the information in more of a blog format. But again, of course, the value. Hopefully, you're coming up with some really awesome videos, podcasts, things that you would like to share, and content curation. This is really what takes advantage of that. I mean, content curation is a huge now. People, there's a lot of information out what they can Google, but trying to get it from one trusted source is definitely worth paying for. And of course, our last one here that we're going to be going over today is our customer service platform. This allows you to do things such as support tickets. So if for people that have issues or questions, they can essentially go through this platform to facilitate those. You can facilitate the communication and really keep the communication streamlined with maybe particular issues that they're dealing with. So especially with the community of people that you're dealing with. So as you can see here, we covered a lot. It's a little bit longer video, but we covered a lot here. But it's important to understand just some of the different. Number one, understand what exactly is a social hub site. But two is also, what do these social hub site platforms do? Where might they fit? Some might be good for you, some might not. Or may not be good for you right now, but I do urge you to take a look at them. I mean, you can set one up for free. From there, obviously, if you do want to purchase the additional upgrades as far as being able to brand it or get rid of the ads or add additional space and other great features, you can do that. But again, I urge you just to get started. Go ahead and just get the platform up and running. See if it's going to be a good fit for you, and we'll go from there. But we're always looking at adding new platforms. Of course, we have 12 right now. But we're always looking for ideas for launching new platforms. So I'll end with this and saying that, if you're running through here, you say, these are great platforms. I could use one or two, but it would be great if you guys had, this platform or this platform. I could really use this. We like to, again, of course, get feedback from our own community. So if you go back, if you're logged in, and if you haven't already signed up, you'll see the sign up option here instead of dashboard. But once you've signed in, if you click on dashboard here, if you go down here where it says, it's under our platforms here, it says share ideas. Click on share ideas. This gives you the opportunity to share, different platform ideas that you might have. Others can vote on those ideas. Very easy to add entry. Just click on add entry. Just submit your idea. And it's a great way for you to, again, it's a great way for us to be able to communicate. And we look at this section very closely. We want to get your ideas. We want to understand exactly what some of the other problems are. I mean, some of it's evident out there in the web, but again, we want to hear directly from you. What are your problems? What are some of your issues? What are some of the things that maybe one of our platforms doesn't do that you wish it did? So we're looking at this from not only just a feature upgrade, or looking at feature upgrades in some of our platforms, but also new platforms that might be able to solve different problems, different opportunities. So that's why we exist. We want to solve problems, make life a little bit easier for you, and that's pretty much about it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you get a chance, maybe if you want to pass this along to somebody who might enjoy some of the platforms, again, they can get started for free. Only pay if you do want to upgrade your social hub sites with additional options there. And that's pretty much about it. So I thank you for watching, and stay tuned. We'll be adding more videos here shortly. And with that said, have a great rest of your day.